and welcome to our little rest area stop. We are just about to get into Ohio, which is awesome, and we're going to veer off and maybe try to visit some small towns. See you later. We got to watch her bike. She is so happy. Pigman, on the other hand, is just going to wait till another rainstorm. So there we go. Good morning from Ohio. Nice night at the Fairfield, and we are off.
We're in Lima, Ohio, though, not Peru. We're stopping for a coffee, and I'm hoping we are off a tornado watch because that's something new and exciting I'm totally not interested in. So we ride through Indiana and adding a few more layers, a little bit cold, not quite like 30 degrees yesterday, and here we go. Here we go, yet again with our luggage.